In TOS, this is a way to deal with saved orders. In this file, you see I've saved some orders, uh, and some are fixed and some are, let's say, open. And some will have good until cancel code here. So let's say that I highlight this one, for instance, and I want to import that directly. Copy. I can come here as a single order, paste it. It's close here when you do it, and you can see that GTC or good until cancel is there. So confirm and send. I check that the order is fine, and I can send the order. At the same time, from here, I can analyze this trade, analyze the trade, and let's say, no, I want to cancel this. Okay, this is the trade. As you can see, it's locked again. If I unlock it, I will find the mid market. Now, let's do it in a different way. Let's say I import the full list, notice this, inside the risk graph. So if I do this, trades, take the example and uncheck them. Now I have imported them, the full list of orders that were inside. You can see this was, let's see the difference here. If we go up, you see when it's fixed, it's locked. When it's not fixed, like this one, for instance, it's open. If if it's not specified that it's fixed, once you open it this way, this is unlocked, so it will find the mid market. So that will be important also for the way I will send you the alerts. Sometimes they will be fixed, meaning that we will like to do the trade at that level. And then obviously through Slack or other messaging systems, we can update the price. Sometime I will ask you with Slack to find the mid, and sometime the order will be good until cancel. When it's good until cancel, obviously maybe the market is not there, but we want to get filled at that price and at the fixed price. I hope this clarified anyway. So this is a very short video, but it's important to get familiar with this. If you do not use TOS, I will try in Slack to visualize the trades anyway, so that you can build them in any system you may use, any broker you may use instead of Thinkorswim. Thank you very much for watching.